Good morning, Anne from Sweden here. Here I have a new free kit. I call it Pale. So you see the color are really dull. So here we go. A big flower. You can have it in which way you want. And a flower in the background. And the same here with some leaf on the side. Really simple. Little flowers and butterflies. Now we have some pink. And here again, some flowers over here in 3D, kind of. And here are the last one. Little more pink. Dots and page and yeah, you know. So that was that. So I hope you have fun with it. I am going to try to have some fun. So bye.